Good morning, children. This is Asha Singh. Today I shall continue with chapter number 1. And in this chapter I shall take up the topics today, that is Voyages of Discovery, Industrial Revolution, and in this Industrial Revolution I shall teach you difference between factory system of production and domestic system of production. Then why Industrial Revolution started in England. And lastly, major inventions of Industrial Revolution. Let me children first tell you voyages of discovery. Voyages means journey by sea. And during the 15th century, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, which is now Istanbul, and blocked the trade routes to Asia for Europeans. So a new trade route to Asia had to be discovered. New scientific instruments such as the quadrant, the astrolabe, the mariner's compass and adjustable sails were invented, which made sailing at sea safe for sailors. And some of the important sea routes which the sailors discovered during this time were: first is Bartholomew Diaz. He reached southernmost tip of Africa and called it Cape of Good Hope in 1488. Second is Vasco da Gama. He reached India in 1498. Third is Christopher Columbus. He discovered America. And fourth is Ferdinand Magellan. He was a Portuguese sailor and the first to sail around the world. Now children, after this topic, I shall take up the Industrial Revolution. An Industrial Revolution took place in England in the 18th century, and this was the period when machines were invented and the goods were produced in factory. So first, this revolution is also called the factory. And children, this Industrial Revolution is also called the factory system of production. And under this system, in the 18th century in England, rich merchants set up factories and installed newly invented machines. They bought raw material from the market and employed workers on wages to produce goods on machine. This system is known as the Industrial Revolution. And now let me tell you, before Industrial Revolution, how the goods were produced. That system is called the domestic system of production. Under this system, the artisans and the craftsmen, they collected raw materials from the merchants and made goods with hands on the simple tools and then supplied the finished goods to the merchant. And now let's see why this Industrial Revolution started in England. This system started in England because of the certain reasons, and these reasons are: first is England was rich in minerals such as the coal and iron. Second is the government encouraged trade and commerce. Third is cheap labor was easily available. And fourth is an improved transport system in the form of canals and roads helped England become the first industrialized nation. And after this, children, let's see what were the major inventions of this period of this Industrial Revolution. First, we shall see in the field of textile. Textile means cloth. In the field of textile, spinning jenny was invented by James Hargreaves. Water frame was invented by Arkwright. Spinning mule, it was invented by Samuel Crompton. And power loom was invented by Edmund Cartwright. All these inventions increased the production of cloth. Now, other inventions in the field of agriculture were seed drill. It was used to plant seed deep into the earth. Second invention in this field was horse hoe, a horse hoe drawn machine which was used to loosen soil and kill weeds. The other very important inventions of this period were steam engine by James Watt and steam powered locomotive by George Stephenson. Now children, that's all for today. Now please write down your home assignment. Your question number 1 is, answer these questions in short. First is, name 2 explorers, name 2 instruments that made sailing at sea safe. Second is, when and where did the Industrial Revolution take place? Third is, who was the first explorer who sailed around the world? Now your structured questions. First is, the Industrial Revolution was an important event in the world history. In this context, explain the following. First is, meaning of the Industrial Revolution. Second is, reasons why it took place in England. Third, your second structured question is, with reference to the Industrial Revolution, answer these questions. Number 1, what do you understand by the factory system of production? Number 2, how was it different from the domestic system of production? Third is, name any 3 major inventions that increased the cloth production. That's all for today, children. Thank you very much.